Hello everybody! In today's home story we are visiting a stunning house with a beautiful sea view. Come on in! I'm happy to introduce you to this beautiful house with a great view, as you can see here. We have been privileged to design this project last year, and finally we get the chance to show it to you. It might not look as anything special from the outside, but now we are all excited to see this hidden architectural gem from the inside. We have decorated this bedroom with tapestry from Zimmer & Rode. The cushions matches, of course, the wallpaper. A bedroom should always be very calm, clean and relaxed. Therefore, we used super soft day curtains which lets light in. In combination, we have chosen a night curtain which goes in the same color palette of the rest of the room. It has an ensuite bathroom with his and hers sink and a freestanding bath tube. Here we have chosen to add these decorative lights from Bocci. The lights and wallpaper mimics the sense of water almost like a ripple effect. This is the Dream Home Spa. It's the perfect combination between modern and Swiss traditional architecture. The wellness area consists of a pool, shower and sauna with a closed gym. The living room has an indoor-outdoor feel with these glass doors when you can enter the garden and pool. In the living room, we used Saba sofas that are modular and can be arranged in flexible sitting variations. The lamps here connect the first and ground floor perfectly. Let's free our mind and check out the outdoor zone. Here we have a modern outdoor pool where we choose to decorate with luxuries and playful monochrome furniture from Tribu with pops of color to pick up the blue sky, lake and pool. I hope you enjoy our first home story. Let us know what you think about this house in the comment section. And if you like this tour, hit like button, subscribe, share us with your friends and see you in the next video. Bye bye.